Water polo versus soccer. Water polo and soccer are very similar, except for the fact that one of them is played in the water, the other is played on land. Both of them have designated players with designated jobs, and they both have a ball you're trying to score in opposite goals. They both have goalies and balls of similar size. In soccer, you're not allowed to use your hands, but in water polo, that's the only way you can get the ball around. Dribbling in soccer is where you kick it out in front of you repeatedly as you run along. You can control the ball easier. You can control the ball in soccer by moving it around away from players to keep it. You can pass it and then try to score. It's like that in water polo, except you throw it to pass, and dribbling is where you throw it out in front of you and then swim with it instead. Each sport has players with designated positions and jobs. In water polo, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Each of them have jobs like offense and defense, and one of them is most likely to have the ball passed to them and try to score. In soccer, there's also offense and defense, except there's not one person who you try to get it to, mostly to try to score. We're all passing the ball. Midfield runs up and down the entire field trying to get it and playing offense and defense at the same time. The forwards stay up on the enemy side of the field to try to get the ball past them to score. The defense mostly stay on their side of the field, but they can go up if they're needed. And then the goalies try to block the goal. Both of them have a field of about the same length. In water polo, it's deep enough where you can't touch the bottom. And if it's not deep enough where you can touch the bottom, you're not allowed to jump off the bottom. Soccer's field is about the same length as well. So that's the similarities and differences of soccer and water polo.